Assalamualaikum and good day. This video will cover on part 2 of structured chart and entity relationship diagram topic. This part will focus on guideline for drawing structured chart and translating DFD to structured chart. This slide shows the guideline for drawing a structured chart. As you can see here, there are 4 steps that you can follow when you create or draw a structured chart. Firstly, you review the DFDs and object models to identify the processes and methods. Second, you identify the program modules and determine control subordinate relationships. Next, you add symbols for couples, loops, and conditions. And finally, you analyze the structured chart, the DFDs, and the data dictionary to ensure that it is consistent with your system documentation. Structured chart is a chart derived from DFD. It represents the system in more details than DFD. This slide shows the symbols of each element that you can use in order to translate a DFD to structured chart. This slide shows some other elements that you can use for translating a DFD to structured chart. Now, we attempt to translate a DFD to structured chart. So, you can refer to the process 5 in the DFD diagram 0 in the first diagram here, and also DFD child diagram in the second figure. As you can see here, there are 4 processes involved in the child diagram of process 5. Okay, based on the DFD diagram 0 and child diagram in previous slide, you can translate or draw structured chart like shown in this slide. Okay, firstly, you can draw or create a module for process file in DFD diagram 0 like this. Then, for this print student report card module, you can draw or create 4 modules that translate each process of a DFD child diagram. This slide shows other examples of DFD that translated to structured chart. So, you can discuss further on this example with your lecturer during a class activity. Later, you can try to answer this question and discuss the answer with your lecturer. And thank you.